Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel for yet another product review. From time to time, I'll go out there, I'll go on ClickBank, I'll go on other affiliate networks and find popular products to review, or I'll simply just come across an ad on YouTube, which I did today on Simple Wi-Fi Profits. So we're going to be talking about the creators, Andrew Wright and Chris Eom, in this video, and their product, Simple Wi-Fi Profits. This is going to be a complete non-biased review. You're not going to see any links in the description, any affiliate links to promote this product or really any products whatsoever. So I want to be as transparent as possible within this video. So if you're looking forward to it, please go ahead, number one, like this video, subscribe to the channel because I'm uploading videos really frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And also don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So let's go ahead and let's jump straight to the point. This review is going to be very similar to the Commission Hero review that I did a few months back. Commission Hero was a Facebook program, affiliate marketing program, which taught people how to combine Facebook ads with affiliate products from ClickBank. And he specifically focuses a lot on weight loss offers. Well, I think Andrew and Chris saw this product from Robbie Blanchard. They probably saw that this product was very successful on ClickBank, and they're like, well, we're having success in the weight loss niche, promoting weight loss offers on Facebook. So let's go ahead and just duplicate what Robbie's done successfully with his Commission Hero launch. And I think that was that first instance that led the two to creating their own product known as Simple Wi-Fi Profits. Now, the marketing, it's somewhat gimmicky. You know, they're in front of fancy cars. You know, they've got a lot of glam within their video, and that just simply sells. That's just part of marketing. That's part of the game. That's what people respond to. But nonetheless, it's not a reflection on the product. So let's jump straight into it and let's talk about the product. So the product, once again, just like Robbie Blanchard's product, focuses on helping people make money with Facebook ads and affiliate offers. In other words, affiliate marketing. So what they're doing is they're leveraging Facebook ads and offers from clickbank.com, which is a digital marketplace full of a bunch of different offers in different niches. Specifically, they're focused on the weight loss niche. There's a few top weight loss offers out right now that are completely crushing it. And ClickBank seems to release more and more every single month. So it is a niche that you can have a lot of success within. So you could promote any of those weight loss offers and you actually get a cut of the commission. And some of these offers, you can earn up to even 100% commissions because the product owners realize the most important thing to have is buyer leads that they can then go on and sell them other products and other programs. So that's why a lot of these merchants, a lot of these product owners are willing to pay their affiliates so much. So having said that, the problem with the specific program, well, number one, Facebook ads. Facebook ads accounts are very volatile when it comes to shutdowns. It really depends on how Facebook is feeling on a given day or a given week that they'll decide to just randomly shut your account down. You got to be very politically correct with the language that you're using in your ad, on your landing pages, and a lot of times they really just don't like affiliate marketing offers. So you have to be very clever. Now, they do give you some done-for-you ads that you can use to promote these different products. So essentially, they'll give you the ads that they've had success with, and they allow you to duplicate those ads. Well, the problem is especially in this affiliate marketing world, is a lot of people don't like to share their exact secrets because then you end up eating their lunch. I'm going to say that again. A lot of gurus do not like to share their secrets because you as an affiliate end up eating their lunch. So what I see that most affiliates will do, or gurus will do, is they'll saturate the market, saturate the audience with the offer and with their specific ad assets. They'll saturate it to a point where it really doesn't work anymore, but then they'll create a program and say, hey, here's all the money that I made on ClickBank from this offer. Copy my ads, copy my process, copy my interest groups. And so you'll go and copy them. and you might have a little bit of success to a certain point, but those assets were already saturated by the guru that initially implemented them. So then you're like, okay, what do I do now? So then you could begin to model the assets. So if you want to be successful with Simple Wi-Fi Profits, you need to learn to be creative and model. So don't discount the fact that they do give you assets that you can use. I mean, that's good and great, but a lot of times these gurus give you false expectations by making you think that you're just going to copy their assets and succeed right off the bat. Again, that doesn't happen because of saturation. So you have to learn to think from a creative perspective. They're still helping you and giving you a shortcut, but you need to learn how to take the assets and how to model. Maybe use a different image, maybe use a different headline, maybe take the structure and the framework that's working really, really well for the guru and see how you can make it better. You see, people that innovate, and I said this in my last video, people that innovate in the affiliate marketing industry are the people that actually win. There's so many people out there, so many affiliate marketers that just want to copy something and they don't want to think outside of the box. Every success that I've had in this industry has been because I've taken something that's already worked out there and I've made it better. For example, a review on this specific program. One of the things that I said early on is there's no affiliate links in the description. Most people are trying to promote this product to you and give you a completely biased review. I'm giving you an unbiased review. I want to give you some more factual information within this review. I want to give you a better quality review. Hopefully I've done that. Now, I'm not showing you the inside of the members area. I know that. But if you understand the principles of this program, there's really no need to do that. So again, as an affiliate marketer, you guys need to start thinking outside of the box and thinking about how you can take things and make them better. Now, it's one thing if they just give you the assets and say, hey, copy these, you're going to have success. But it's another thing if they teach you, hey, take these assets, but here are the expectations. Your Facebook accounts are going to get shut down. You're probably not going to succeed the first time if you do implement our assets. Make sure that you're creative. So in other words, if they set these types of expectations before you buy the program, then you're not going to purchase it and follow all these steps and be disappointed because you didn't know that you're going to have 10 Facebook accounts shut down and that your ads possibly weren't going to convert. Makes sense? So the problem with this program, if I had to say one thing, is the expectations that are being set. There's actually a few videos and other reviews on this course that I've been going over. And I'm seeing people in the comments saying things like, hey, I tried out this program. I got my Facebook ad account disabled. Well, if Andrew and Chris didn't make this apparent to you before you purchased the course and didn't set those expectations, then that's unfortunate and unethical to do so. So when you purchase any program, any course online, there are nuances to the programs. You need to learn. Because the internet, it's constantly ever changing, it doesn't mean that the programs don't carry value. What it means is because the internet's changing so much and it would take them on a weekly basis having to update the program, and most people don't do that. So you have to learn to understand how the game of marketing is played. There are probably Facebook rules out today that are different than the Facebook rules that were out when the product was first released. Did they update the program based off of those rules? Probably not. So you as a marketer have to learn how to test. You have to learn how to be creative. You have to learn how to take risks and try on different strategies that maybe even the teacher isn't even teaching. And so the more information that you can gather, and you can be okay with the process, be okay with losing campaigns. You have to be okay with spending some money, because at the end of the day, when you do spend money on campaigns, it does give you valuable information and it teaches you a lesson. If you fail, you're not going to complete the same campaign the same way that you did before. You're going to try something different. And as you try different things, it's going to steer you closer and closer and closer to your true north and to success. So my final verdict on the program, I didn't need to go through this program. I've seen plenty of Facebook ad programs such as Commission Hero out there. You're going to deal with things like Facebook ad account shutdowns. You're going to deal with things like getting people to click your ads. Those are the two different things. The funnel is fairly easy. If you can avoid getting your account shut down and you can create an ad that speaks directly to a market and get people to click, then that's all you need to do. Focus on those two things when it comes to Facebook ads, and you're going to be successful. So if you're going to purchase this program, know the expectations that I explained in this video. Know what you're up against. Hopefully this kind of dives through and filters out all the BS fancy cars and all the fancy stuff within the webinar and within their sales pages. Know that anything in life is going to take work, and you got to stick with Facebook ads long term to really reap the rewards of a program like this. So that being said, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know by commenting below. Subscribe to the channel if you like to learn more about how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. I'm uploading videos pretty frequently, from product reviews to my latest strategies that are working in my own business. And also, don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And if I have any other resources available, I will put them in the description below. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.